Huh? Hey now, don't talk to your sister that way. Come with me, baby. Don't listen to them. Beauty is what's on the inside. That's why you're beautiful to me. Let's head back home.
Ugly? Hotel. Duckling beating. Duckling yell. Sisters? Pooh. What say murder? What say you? Duckling so humble and look so good. To crows is pretty. To murder food. Betrayed by beauty's mortal sin. Vanity blind to what's deep within. When pretty things die and open wide, the murder grows strong from beauty inside. Would Duckling like to be pretty for crow? Give beauty inside to help murder grow. Our murder grows, and the pickings are light.
Wow, you sparkle every time. Oh my goodness, and did you hear about the mallard? You're beautiful. Where are you from? I haven't seen you before.
Oh my, thank you. I'm from the swamp. I'll let you in on a little secret. My mother always told me there's beauty found on the inside. You were the ones who called me ugly. But it's you who are blind. I have found the truth. There is beauty within us all. Welcome to the Moody.